Join me as I challenge myself to kick belly fat to the curb using just ginger and turmeric. Let's see if this magic really works. If you're like many of us, you've probably struggled with stubborn belly fat that just won't budge. You try to eat healthy, exercise regularly, but that midsection just seems to hold on for dear life. It's frustrating, right? You've cut back on your favorite treats, started going to the gym, but still, that belly fat just laughs at your efforts. The thing is, losing belly fat can be really tough. It's not just about doing a few crunches or eating a salad for lunch. It's about making serious lifestyle changes that can be hard to stick to. And sometimes, even when you're doing everything right, that belly fat just won't go away. It's like your body is determined to hold on to it, no matter what. We've all been there, feeling like we're doing everything we can, but still not seeing the results we want. It's like our bodies are working against us, and it can be really discouraging. But what if I told you there's a way to make it easier? A way to kick belly fat to the curb without having to make drastic changes to your diet or exercise routine. The struggles are real, and it's not just about willpower or motivation. Sometimes, it's about finding the right tools to help you get the job done. And that's where ginger and turmeric come in. These two spices have been touted as miracle workers when it comes to losing belly fat, but do they really live up to the hype? Ginger and turmeric are two of the most powerful spices on the planet. They're packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and other nutrients that can help to boost your metabolism and burn belly fat. Ginger, for example, has been shown to have a thermogenic effect on the body, which means it can help to increase your metabolism and burn more calories. Turmeric, on the other hand, contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and can help to improve insulin sensitivity. When you combine ginger and turmeric, you get a powerful fat-burning duo that can help to kick belly fat to the curb. They're like two peas in a pod, working together to help you achieve your weight loss goals. And the best part, they're easy to incorporate into your daily routine. So, how can you use ginger and turmeric to lose belly fat? One of the simplest ways is to make a tea by steeping fresh ginger and turmeric in hot water. You can add a squeeze of lemon and a drizzle of honey to taste. Drink it in the morning to help boost your metabolism, and again in the evening to help with digestion. Another way to use ginger and turmeric is to add them to your meals. You can grate fresh ginger over your vegetables, or add turmeric to your soups and stews. The possibilities are endless, and it's easy to get creative with these two spices. Incorporating ginger and turmeric into your daily routine can be as simple as making a few small changes. You can start by adding them to your favorite recipes, or by making a tea to drink every day. The key is to be consistent and make it a habit. So, there you have it, a simple and effective way to use ginger and turmeric to lose belly fat. The key benefits of these two spices are their ability to boost your metabolism, burn fat, and improve overall health. And the best part, they're easy to use and can be incorporated into your daily routine in just a few minutes a day.